Bassus is the world's first and fastest magnetic USB Type-C cable for new MacBook Pro and any USB-C devices. With the magnetic adapter, it's convenient and simple. This is Mocha. He's going to break Billy's laptop today by stumbling over the cable. This is Matcha. I know he looks exactly like Mocha, but trust me, he's Matcha. Anyway, he's going to break Billy's laptop today by... Wait, he won't, because the Bassus Type-C cable is magnetic. Billy enjoys movie time in bed and usually needs to charge his laptop in the dark. It's not easy. However, with the magnetic function, Colin can easily charge his laptop in the dark with 1 second. One day, Billy needs to take his laptop for work, but it's dying, so he charged it with his regular Type-C cable, and it's slow. With superior wiring technology, the Bassus Type-C cable achieves the max current range of 4.3 amps, which is double the speed of most Type-C cables on the market. Powerful, steady, uninterrupted. Cables get bent a lot, and you may find a regular cable gets broken and dirty frequently. Annoyed? No worries! The Bassus Type-C cable adopts the innovative L design, which prevents the cord from being bent, and the premium TPE braided nylon surface is more durable and cleaner than any other cable. Besides, the Bassus Type-C cable is compatible with other USB-C devices like notebooks, tablets, and smartphones. Now, say goodbye to other Type-C cables with Bassus, the world's fastest magnetic USB Type-C cable. Innovate the way to charge your new MacBooks and any other USB-C devices.
Introducing the world's first magnetic connector for iPhone 7. Because Apple has combined the audio jack and the power jack into one connector on the iPhone 7, we are now able to give you a magnetic connector that connects your data, audio, and fast charging in a single click. It's never been more convenient. Magnetic connectors are vastly superior to mechanical connectors. Not only are they way more convenient to use, they're also far more resistant to dust, water, and other contaminants. All this added reliability can greatly improve your peace of mind. Our engineering team has worked very hard to make this connector as small as possible. We have also developed a 2-in-1 connector that works with Android and Apple devices. We've already successfully completed a pilot manufacturing run of over 1,000 units. We have done extensive testing to ensure their reliability over extended use. If you're interested, please contact us now for our early review program.
When was the last time your phone let you down? Did you need to call a loved one or get an Uber out of a dodgy night spot? Or were you like us, stranded, without maps or a hotel address? The solution to this common problem isn't a chunky power pack that's just sitting at home when you need it most. The right solution needs to be pocket-sized and versatile. Introducing Sidekick by Flintu. Say you're on an adventure, or you're in a situation where traditional charging just isn't possible. No problem. Sidekick can take charge from AA, C, and D size batteries, which you can pick up anywhere. So what about the times when you can't find batteries? Well, Sidekick has a Japanese-made rechargeable lithium built in. Or maybe you're running low at work or at the airport. Just plug in with Sidekick's built-in fast charge cable. Sidekick was designed as an everyday carry, so we've bundled in a lot of everyday features. Check them out below.
Why are these Type-C cables so not user-friendly? Your MacBook could easily fall off the table by accident. VINPOPL Bolt makes charging easier. With quick release that's easier to plug and detached, it provides extra protection for your MacBooks. An instant connection can be made to charge your smartphone, speaker, switch, music player, and more. Bolt is small and exquisite. You can put it into your pocket and take it anywhere. This is a must for your USB-C devices.
If you're like us, you love your new MacBook, but missed that MagSafe connector. Sure, there's a couple USB-C magnetic adapters out there, but those are designed for charging only. Why limit this powerful port to just charging? Introducing Magneto, the world's only magnetic connector capable of super speed data, 4K video, and up to 100 watts charging. And it's not just for the MacBook. Magneto works with all USB-C devices, including phones, tablets, and notebooks. Just like the Apple Watch, it's machined from a solid block of aluminum, using ultra high quality components designed for the wear and tear of daily life. We designed and engineered Magneto right here in Silicon Valley and delivered our previous Kickstarter to 30 countries worldwide. Order yours today and expect it in February.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.